I'll be sharing a little bit of description about this thing. So, what is rainforest? Rainforests are rich in animal life. Rainforests are populated with insects, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. So, rainforests are lush, warm, and wet habitat. So, in rainforest, the trees are very tall because they have to compete with larger plants for the source of for the sunlight. And the animals use the tall trees and understory for shelter, hiding places from their predators, and also a source of food. So, why are animals important in the rainforest? So, animals plays an important role in keeping the rainforest healthy. For instance, important nutrients from carcasses, feces, and food scraps deposited by the mammals leach into the forest floor. So, why should we save the rainforest? We need the rainforest to produce us oxygen and clean atmosphere to help us breathe. And also, rainforest provide us with some valuable medicinal plants and maybe a source of cure from some deadly diseases. So this is my diorama, guys. Here. It's just simple